Hello everyone. In this lecture, I want to talk about the smart home system. I want to use an example of how to build a smart thermostat system by using IBM Bluemix to show you the concept of smart home. In the previous lecture, I introduced the concept of the Internet of Things, or IoT, to you. By using IoT, I said a user can upload documents to the cloud. The next day, if the user goes to the office, she can continue processing the documents on another devices. Obviously, file sharing is just a basic usage of an IoT system. We can do a lot more by using the IoT concept. Smart home or smart thermostat are the new usages of the IoT network. Before today's lecture, I want everyone to get a mobile device, an iPhone, an Android phone, template PC, or an iPad, and then open a web browser on any mobile device, and then type in a web address. The web address is ibm.biz/IoT sensor. You can also find this web address on eCollege. Please open a web browser on a mobile device and then type in the web address ibm.biz/IoT sensor. Then you will see an interface that looks like this one. This is a simulator to the smart thermostat. We don't have a smart thermostat in this class, so we have to use simulator. This interface tries to simulate all the functions that a smart thermostat has. In the future, if you get a real smart thermostat, the interface will look very similar to the one you are seeing on this screen. By using a smart thermostat, you can control the AC system in your house. You can change temperature, humidity, and other information, as you can do on a regular thermostat. The major difference between a smart thermostat and a regular thermostat is that every time when you change temperature, humidity on a smart thermostat, the current temperature change will be, all of this information will be shared with devices that connect to a smart thermostat. Why do we want to do this? The information like temperature change are very important to energy company. By using a smart thermostat, electricity companies can monitor the user's preferred temperature, current temperature change, and electricity usage on the cloud. So the companies will have a better understanding about their customers. That's why you can see smart home system or smart thermostat systems are getting very popular among IT companies, energy companies, and users. We want to build a system like this one. We want to connect the user's smart thermostat to a cloud system, so we are able to monitor the user's temperature change, current temperature, all of this information from the cloud. We will be using the IBM Bluemix system to build such a connection. Now I want you to get ready for the mobile device. I want you to open the web page on a web browser on any mobile device. When you open the web browser, type in the web address ibm.biz/IoT sensor. Let me give you about 1 minute to get ready on the mobile device. Once you open a web address on the mobile device, you should be able to see an ID number in the upper right corner, as you can see on this screen. Your ID should be different from mine. By using the unique ID number, the cloud can identify from which smart thermostat the temperature change was sent. In the future, if you work for an electricity company, obviously this ID number should be replaced by the user's home address. By using this, we can identify, differentiate from which house, which apartment the temperature information was sent. In the lab instruction, I ask everyone to type in an ID number in one step in the Bluemix system. That ID number should be as same as the one you are seeing on your mobile device right now. Some classmates may have a question. What if I accidentally close the web page on my mobile phone? How can I get a new ID number for my thermostat? Simply open a new web page and then type in the web address ibm.biz/IoT sensor, and then you will get a new ID number in the upper right corner. Next, you want to update the ID in the IBM Bluemix system. By doing this, we can make the connection between the smart thermostat and the Bluemix system. Also, the IoT sensor webpage is hosted by IBM. Sometimes IBM could update the system. If you see something like a connection failed, that means IBM is updating the IoT website. Just wait about 1 hour or 2 hours and then reopen the web page. You will get an ID number in the upper right corner. Now please go to MyLeo Online and follow the lab instruction to create your own smart home system.